So I've got the Plod Note and the Plod Note Pro, but what is this? This is the Plod Note Pro, parang may sarili kang AI secretary sa pocket mo. It's super small, credit card sized, slim, lightweight, and madaling dalhin kahit saan. May magnetic case pang kasama, so you can snap it to your phone securely right away. Ang smooth, di ba? Plod Note Pro records both phone calls and in-person conversations, and it automatically detects the mode, so you don't need to flip a switch manually. The Plod app transcribes your recordings, creates AI summaries, adds speaker labels, and generates highlights and to-dos. With 4 smart microphones, malinaw ang boses kahit medyo maingay sa paligid, like coffee shops or crowded rooms. It supports up to 50 hours of non-stop recording on one charge and 60 days of standby. May AMOLED display din siya, so kita mo yung battery and recording status without opening your phone. Charge the Plod Note Pro, install the Plod app, and pair via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. How to use